This dog has no idea what she's in for. Oh my goodness. I'm going to give it to her, and then I'm going to go over all the different settings on this. This is an interactive dog toy, and this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And it's you that's going to love it. Ready, Kira? I'm going to turn it on. She's like, I'm so ready, Mom. I'm so ready. Oh, maybe you're both going to love it. Are you all going to love it? So it is a motion-sensitive toy. Right now I have it on the simple setting. See how this is lit up blue? It's supposed to move when they touch it. This one doesn't move a whole lot, so I wasn't sure. There she goes. She's like, wait a minute. How did it moved? Mom, make it move more. Oh, there it goes. She's like, wait a minute. Okay, all right, let's put it on the next setting. So watch, it's gonna go from blue to purple, and it's gonna go a little crazier on purple. Oh my goodness. Eleanor's like, wait a minute. Wait, I like this toy. Woo! Kira's like, wait a second. This is like some of my other toys that move. What do you think? There you go. Want to put it on the crazy setting? So that's the purple setting, and then the green oh, hold on. I didn't push the button fast enough. And if you want to know, see, every time they touch it, it's supposed to start moving. There's a button on the bottom here. This is the power button. You can also charge it here. So push it one more time. Now it turns green. And now it does even more cool stuff. So that one vibrates and spins. Oh, this is going to be an Eleanor toy. I thought for sure this was going to be something Kira was going to go for. Kira loves motion-activated toys. Here, I'll put it over there. So that one goes through all of the different settings. Oh, there it goes. What's it doing? Is it moving? Kira's like, wait a minute. Maybe I do gotta check this out again. Oh, good stretch, big girl. Good stretch. What do you think? Oh, let Kira try. Kira's like, wait, it makes noise. And then what? And then it's gonna move. I know it's gonna move. No, I'm bored with it. You gotta touch it to make it move more. See? You gotta touch it like your other one. Eleanor's like, no, Kira can have the other one that I don't like, and this one is now mine. Is that yours now? Oh my goodness. Is that fun? She's like, this is pretty fun. So this did actually come with a replaceable rope at the top there, which is kind of nice. There it goes again. It's doing its thing. It is USB-C rechargeable, which is nice. Like I said, I can show you that in the bottom. Can I see it? Before it rolls away on us. Eleanor's like, no, it's Mom, no, it's mine. It's mine. But I gotta show everybody how it works. Can I show everybody how it works? She's like, it's gonna move? Yeah, I like it. So, on the bottom here, if you push and hold, it's gonna flash red, I believe. There it goes. Oh, nope. Hey, I was trying to turn it off, silly. Push and hold. And it's red. Now it's off. It's off, sweetheart. It's not gonna move. I turned it off. I gotta show everybody how you charge it at the bottom. Okay, I know you love it, but let me show everybody. So on the bottom here where the power button is, that opens up, and that's where you plug it in to charge it. You can see, you can also reset it in there too. So that's the little USB charging port in there, and then we push this down in here, push and hold for a second. You'll see it light up. And there it goes. What do you think? I was certain that this was going to be a Kira toy. Memphis is not a big toy dog, so I knew she wouldn't care. But I was certain this was going to be a Kira toy, and apparently it's an Eleanor toy. Eleanor's like, I like it. This is fun, Ma. I really like it. Is that fun? She likes the ropes on it. I have a couple that are like just a ball. I do like that this has the ropes on it as well. Do you approve of that toy? She's like, I approve. This is pretty cool.